Look, let's put it inside.
You go back. Now go forward. Backward. Forward. Back again.
Hi everyone, I'm Yizi.
Hi, I'm Xiao Xiao. Welcome to YX Kids Lab.
Today we're making paddle boat number 1.
Science is so much fun.
If you like it, build it with us. Let's get started. Step 1. Build the circuit board. Black wire to black wire. Now connect the red wire. All done. Install the battery box and the board. Use the first and third holes from the bottom. Use the 4mm screws. Now attach the circuit board. These 4 holes need 7mm screws. Now install the antenna with 4mm screws. Wow, this antenna is tall. Step 3. Tidy up the wires. Tuck them all inside the compartment. Now add the screws. These are the 7cm screws. Tighten it from the bottom. Tighten all 4 screws. Finished. Step 4. Install the motor. The cord plate first, then the gear. Yes, that's perfect. Tighten 2 screws. Now we need some wires. Red wire to blue wire. Add the wire cover. Black wire to green wire. Done. Step 5. Install the gears. Let's add the guard first. Use 6 screws to secure the bottom. 2 screws on top as well. All set. Step 6. Install the paddle wheels. Connect the gear and the zip plates. Each wheel needs 5 plates. Mount them onto the boat. Wow, it looks awesome. Finish. Step 7. Add the foam floats. Peel off the sticky tape. Wow! Step 8. Build the remote. Black to black, red to red. Done.
Why does it have 2 big wheels?
Because it's a paddle boat. The wheels push water backward, and that makes the boat move forward.
Why does it move when you press the button?
The remote sends a signal.
So the signal tells it what to do.
That's right.
So the wheels are pushing water.
Let's add some water and try it.
Oh, yeah!
Now we have a bowl of water. Let's test it.
Is it too small?
Why is it kind of slow?
Maybe because it's small.
Not really. Because it's pushing water, air is easy to push. Water is much harder. Dad, let's get a bigger top.
My old bathtub is huge! It's going to be so happy. Will it still work if the antenna gets wet?
I don't know. Don't try.
I'll touch the top first. It still works. Now let's put it in the water. It still works. Let's find an even bigger pool.
Awesome!
Forward, backward,
Back again. Go.
forward,
Back.
backward, forward, forward, back, 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 back.
Look, it changed direction. Back again. Let's make some waves. Let's see if it still works.
It's getting tired. If you like it, subscribe and follow us. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.